shifting to the southwest. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Wise County in north central Texas until 4:15 p.m. At 3:14 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Cottondale, or 10 miles south of Bridgeport, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and $5 hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Cottondale around 3:30 p.m., Paradise around 3:40 p.m., Boyd around 3:45 p.m., Owell around 3:50 p.m., Decatur around 4:05 p.m., New Fairview around 4:15 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Rome and Newark. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building.